Hello everybody, welcome to Gai Education Video Classroom, and today we will learn new concept English Book 1, Lesson 89, For Sale. Sağlaş yaxşımızlar. Bugünkü yeni dersimiz kesek. Andaqda biz o'tgan darsga muhim mazmunlarni bir takrorlab o'taylik. Avval shu o'tgan darsga bir necha so'z qaraymiz sağlaşlar. So, can you spell these words? First of all, like from a word starts with a letter A. Like, what is that? Attendant. Alright? Attendant. A-T-T-E-N-D-A-N-T. Okay. Attend. Attendant. Okay, attendant degan hamda qabul qiluvchi, kutuvchi degan gap. Masalan, do'konlarga, har xil idora organlariga. Shunami? Okay, hamda keyingisi nima ekan? Mashina remote qilyapti. Remote qilmoq degan nima degan to'q? Repair degan, Buni qanday izlaymiz? How to spell it? R-E-P-A-R-I. What is that? It's a repair. Okay, repair. Like repair a car, repair a bicycle. So what about next? Stolba. Yaki chirag'ning hadise degan nima degan lamp post. L-A-M-P-P-O-S-T. What is that? It's lamp post. Okay, next one is, what is that? Okay, ben naqalatu ilib kelib shunami? Ilib kelmek deganda B-R-I-N-G. Okay, it's called bring. Okay, bring. Alright, what is that? Next one is machine qo'ydigan qilib. Yoki mashina remote qilgan degan garage. G-A-R-A-G-E. Garage. Okay, a garage. Xo'sh, hamsa, yangi darsimiz keladi arkadaşlar. For sale. First of all, let's learn some new words. So, there are a couple of questions. So, why do you sell their house? Why do people sell their house? And birinchi savol, mana kishilar nima uchun mush uyni sotib yotadi? Kimda bag'ida? Kishilar nima uchun? What kind of reasons? Okay, there is a couple of reasons. So, can you tell me about yours? Because they don't like it anymore. And they don't like it anymore. So, this is the one reason for people sell their house. Or because they want a bigger one. Okay, yana bir sababi hamda ular cho'ngroq birsini qanaqa qilsa ag'ishwa, shunami? Or maybe because they retire and want to live another place. Okay, chunki hamda ular pensiyaga chiqdi. Qanaqa qilmoqchi? Hamda yana bir yerga bormoqchi. Yana boshqa yerda turmoqchi, shunami? Bularning shu ma'qul ahvol ko'pincha chet elliklar ko'rildi. Masalan, pensiyaga chiqqandan keyin muhitini aytdi, pokiz bo'lgan, tinch bo'lgan, ya'ni ko'chada o'tiraqlashgan. Balkim nima desanlar, sahro yizlarga berib, va yoki masalan, iqtisodiy ahvoli yaxshi bo'lib qolsa, dunyodagi eng go'zal bo'lgan davlatlarga berib o'tiraqlashgan. So, can you tell me another reasons for why people sell their house and move to another place? Can you tell me the reason? Tell me. All right. Amsa, mushu boshqalarning ko'chishiga nurg'un nimlar bor desanlar, sabablar bor. Amsa, shularni bir-birlab deb baqsanlar. Okay. Andaqda bugungi darsimizda hamda mushu birsiniki uyini setib, boshqa ko'chib ketgandagi bir hikoya so'zlandi. Nima uchun ko'chadiqanda? Andaqda buni qiziqsanlar, avval bir yangi so'zlarni bilib o'taylik. Okay. And first one, believe. Okay, amanda biz qanda, urg'u nima degan tovush chiqyapti. Believe. Okay, believe. Okay, hamda yerga believe dan chiqilmaysa, birinchisi nima desanlar, ishonmak. Ishonmak. Okay, ishongan nimasi deb qaramoq. Okay, ishonsa may. Okay, may. May degan bo'ladi degan gap. Next one is how long. Okay, how long. Qanchalik uzunlik. Okay, since. Okay, bajaq bola since deb qo'yilgan. Mana since emas, since. Okay, since. Why? All right, why? Nimishqa? Sell. Okay, setib etmek. Because. Chunki. Retire. Okay, pensiyaga chiqmoq degan gap. Andaqcha arkadaşlar, qarab baqaylik. Şu bugünkü dersimizde sözlerin tepsileri. Birincisi believe. Okay, the first one is believe. You know, to think that something is true. Şuna işenmek degan gap. Mesela believe somebody. Ma'lum bir kishiga qanday qilmoq ishonmak. Yoki believe in somebody. Birisiga ishonmak. Okay. Mesela I believe in you. I could believe in you degan men sizga qanday qilaman? Ishonaman. Okay, men sizga ishonaman. Okay, if you say I don't believe in you or I don't believe you, bo'lsa, men sizga ishonmayman. Okay, hamda siz menga ishonamsiz degan savol shakli bo'lsa, okay, do you believe me? Okay, or do you believe in me? Degandek. So, we believe in each other. Okay, men yerga each other degan har birisiga, demakchi, bir-birimizga qanday qilamiz deydi, ishonamiz deydi. We believe in each other. Biz bir-birimizga ishonamiz. So, do you believe in each other? Birisi-birisini ishonamizlar? No, we don't believe in each other. Hamda buni inkor shakli. Don't. Chunki ismi yada we emasmi? We don't believe in each other. We don't believe in each other. We don't believe in each other. Okay, hamda yana bir ma'nosi men yerdagi believe ninki deb qaramoq degan gap. Bu odatda masalan I think deganda kirib o'tib meningcha. Okay. Yana buni nima desak bo'ldirsan? I believe. You know, for example, I believe that he's honest. Okay. Meningcha u bo'lsa nima deysan? Samimiy, rostchil degan gap. Okay, I believe. Okay. I believe. Meningcha. I believe you're right. Meningcha sizniki qanday deganingiz to'g'ri. You're right. Degandek. Okay. I believe I can. Okay, I believe I can. Meningcha men qila olaman. Yoki men ishonamanki, men qila olaman. Okay, aniq bir naqshlar. I believe I can fly. Alright, degandek. I believe I can fly. Okay, I believe men ishonaman. I can fly. I can fly bo'lsa, men ucha olishimga ishonaman. Mening ucha olishimga qanday qilib ishonaman. Yoki men ucha olayman deb shunda qarayman degan gap. Believe. Okay, just believe in you. You can do it. You can make it. Okay. Ana o'zingizga ishoning, qanday qilib siz qila olasiz. Shunda muvaffaqiyat qozona olasiz. You can make it, right? Okay, next one is since. Okay, since. Okay, since deganimiz hamda bu yerda nima deysanlar? Ma'lum bir vaqtdan buyon degan gap. Ma'lum vaqtdan buyon. For example, I have been here since 1992. Okay, hamda men bu yerda 1992-yildan buyon hamda mishada turyotaman yoki mishada degan gap. Demek hamda o'tmishdagi ma'lum bir vaqtdan yoki ma'lum bir nuqtadan buyon degan gap, since degan gap. Demak, shu vaqtdan, demakchi, shu 92-yildan buyon dedi emasmi? 92-yildan buyon toki hozirgacha men mishada degan gap hamda. Hamda mana shunda vanching bilan shu ko'chuningki bir farqi bor. Masalan, I have been here since 1992 men 92-yildan buyon mishada. Demak, hamda bu o'tmishdan toki hozirgacha davomlashdi. Hamda hozirmi qanday desangiz, shu ishning ta'siri bor. Hozirgi bo'lgan ta'sir nima orqali ifodalanadi deysanlar mishada? U odam texchi mishada degan gap. Okay. Agar hamda I was here, okay, when I was 1992, yoki I was here in 1992. Agar mandaq degan bo'lsa, men bu yer 92-yilda bu yerda edim. Demak, hamda hozir emas, demakchi, hozir ya bu yerda turmaydi o. Yoki u yerda emas degan gap, yoki I was there in 1992. Okay, men 92-yilda shu yerda edim. Bu degan gap hamda hozir u yerda yo'q degan gap. Demak, hamda o'tgan zaman deganimiz o'tmishda yuz bergan sharkat yoki mavjud bo'lib turgan holatni ko'rsatadi. Endi hozir qanday desanlar bu ish, masalan, holati va yoki sharkat qanday desanlar hozir yo'q, mavjud emas bu yerda. Lekin senlar vanchingdagi o'tmishda yuz bergan Onun ta'siri hozir davom etishi kerak. Hatto masalan shu sherkat balki hozir davom etishi kerak bo'lishi mumkin. Mishara bu 92-yildan buyon mishara degandek. Shunami? Okay. Next one is it's nearly 2 years since I came here. Okay. It's nearly 2 years. Hamda men kelgandan buyon 2 yilcha qanday qilib to'risanglar bo'pti. Okay. It's nearly 2 years. You know, the area has been built up since I moved. Okay, men ko'chgandan buyon qanday desanglar, bu rayon qanday qilindi? Silinib bo'libdi. Has been built. Mana bedon yutish. Senlar chana bedon yutish qanday desanglar? Have has been keyingi nima desanglar? Have has been done. Demak, men ko'chgandan buyon bu ish qanday qilib bo'libdi? Bu rayon bitibdi. Qurilish bitibdi demakchi. And there have been many changes since the war. Again, the war urush. Since urushdan buyon there have been many changes. Bu yer nurg'un o'zgarishlar bo'ldi. Okay, mesela there have been many changes in my hometown since I left. Demak, men ayrilgandan buyon yurtimda bek cho'ng o'zgarishlar bo'ldi. Demakchi, there have been many changes. There have been many changes. Nurg'un qana o'zgarishlar bo'ldi. So, we have missed you badly since you were gone. Okay, biz sizni bek sig'indik. Siz ketgandan buyon. Demak, siz ketgandan buyon we have missed you so badly. Missed you so badly. So you have gone. Okay, nayte şiiri hissiyatliq bir ifodalangan jumla bo'ldi ma. Okay, demak since degan o'tmishdagi ma'lum bir vaqtdan, o'tmishdagi ma'lum bir nuqtadan buyon. Okay, next one, sell. Okay, sell. Okay, sell. Buni o'tgan zaman shakli sold, o'tgan bitgan shakli sold. Sell, sold, sold. Okay. So I don't sell my house. Okay. I don't sell my house. Okay. I sell my house. I don't sell my house. So why do you sell your bike? Like, do you sell your bike? And why do you sell your bike? And do you sell your bike? Degan oddiy savol jumla. Endi buni oldin why-ni qaytib qo'ysak, why do you sell your bike? Voy nima ish qilasiz velosipedingizni degan gap. Agar hamda meni velosipedimni sotqim bor desa, I want to sell you my bike. Men sizga nima ish qilgim bor? Velosipedimni sotqim bor. Yoki we want to sell you that car. Biz bu mashinani qanday qilgimiz bor? Sizga sotib bergimiz bor. Okay. Setbagimiz bor. Okay, endi bir o'tgan zaman shakli bir jumla tuzsak, I sold my car to him for 5,000 yuan. Men uningga mashina 5,000 yuanga sotdim. Ma kitob qaranglar. How to sell anything to anybody. Okay, how to sell anything to anybody? Har qanday narsani, har qanday odamga qanday sotqin bo'ldi. Demak, endi bu setish taktikasi to'g'risida bir kitobgina. How to sell. Next one is sale. Endi men yarkima sale bilan sell o'xshamaydi. Sell degan mushdan pil shakli bo'ladi. Sale deganimiz ko'rsanglar, ism shakli. Sale. Odatda biz tukunlik turmushda ko'p uchraydigan mana ikki xil birikma bormi yana? Birisi for sale, yana birisi on sale. Okay, endi men yarkima for sale for degan uchun. Endi setish uchun degan gapni o'dil tarjima qilsak. Demak, endi for sale deganda bu setiladi. Siz setib olsangiz bo'ladi. Bu setishga tayyor qilib qo'yilgan narsa degan gap. Masalan, uyning oldiga for sale bo'lgan bo'lsa, bu uy setiladi degan gap. Agarda hamda ma'lum narsalarniki, demak, kiyim-kechakni shikoyat qilib qo'yib for sale qilgan bo'lsa, bu nim bo'ldi desanlar, setiladi degan gap. Agarda endi on sale bo'lgan bo'lsa, buni ko'pincha talla bozorlarda, masalan, do'konlarda ko'rsizlar. Bu nima desanglar, bahos tushirib setiladi degan gap. On sale deganimiz bahos tushirib setiladi, for sale deganimiz qanday setiladi degan gap. Okay, I'm a salesman. Sales degan setishni, salesman bo'lsam mol sotuvchi. Yoki biz ilgari sales rep deb o'rgangan shunami? Sales rep desam bo'ldi. Yoki sales manager. Okay, endi men yerga manager deganimiz boshqaruvchi, direktori. Endi shu sales manager bo'lsa, setish direktori. Setish direktori. Okay, sales on sale, bas shurib setilmoq yoki shuningga, masalan, dajo deymizmi? Okay, these clothes are on sale. Bas qanday qilinadi? Tushirib setiladi. Next one is retire. Retire. Okay, men sizni bek qiziqarli qilib bir saqlab boqaylik. Bolalar, re deganimiz qayta degan gap. Tire deganimiz nima desanglar? Masalan, tire de erib ketmak desak, sizlar qayt erib ketsanglar, qanday qilsanglar desanglar, ha bo'pti, erib ketdingiz. Endi armiyalar deb qanday qilib sizni pensiyaga chiqadi. Demak, retire deganimiz endi pensiyaga chiqmoq. So, when do you want to retire? Voy siz qachon pensiyaga chiqdingiz ba? When do you want to retire? Sizdan qachon pensiyaga chiqdingiz ba? Okay. Okay, I have so much to do after I retire. Okay, endi men qanda pensiyaga chiqqandan keyin nurg'un ishlarim bor. I have so much to do after I retire. Bo'lsa menda agar yoshlar qanday desanglar qilmaslik kerak. Cho'qim yosh vaqtimizni chon tutib, o'zimizningki g'oyasini amalga oshirish qanday desanglar, we should try our best. Okay? You don't have to leave things, after your retirement. You don't have to, because what you want to do in your youth, right? And next one, do you really want to retire? Do you really want to retire? Siz rastlar menda qanday qilmoqchimi? Pensiyaga chiqmoqchimi? Do you really want to retire? Siz vaqtdan pensiyaga chiqmoqchimi? The old worker decided to retire. Okay, endi bu kona xizmatchi, ishchi qanday qildi? Decided to retire. Shu pensiyaga chiqish qarori qanday qildi? Katta. So my father retired at age of 60. Men ondan 60 yoshda pensiyaga chiqdi. Okay, endi davlatimizniki hech qancha 55 yosh odatda, shunami? So he's going to retire soon from the bank. Okay, endi u pat yaqinda bankdan pensiyaga chiqmoqchi. So he's going to retire from the bank. Okay. And next, how do you change your lifestyle when you're retired? So how do you change your lifestyle? Okay, endi shariki turmush usulingiz degan gap. How do you change it, after you retire? When you retire, qanday turmush usulingizni o'zgartisiz? Demak, retire, pensiyaga chiqmoq. Okay, what about this retirement certificate? Retirement ism, certificate degan kinishkisi. Demak, pensiyaga chiqish qanday desanglar, kinishkisi. Retirement certificate. Next one is cost. Okay, cost. Cost degan pil bo'ladi. The cost blah. Endi buningga egisining bo'ldi desanglar bir narsa bo'ladi. Something cost somebody and some money. Okay. Masalan, the coat costs $300. Okay. Yoki the coat costs me $300. Okay, endi men yerga qanday desanglar, bu palto $300 chiqim qildi. Demakchi $300 meni chiqimda qildi. Demak, endi I spent $300 on this coat. Men bu nimaga $300 pul xarjladim. Demak, endi sizlar xarjlasanglar spend bo'ladi. Cost bo'lsa shu narsalar shunchalik chiqim qilmoq. Masalan, does that computer cost $400? Ma kompyuter $400 mi? Demakchi $400 ketamdi, $400 chiqamdi degan gap. Yoki how much does this house cost? And how much does this house cost? Yoki how much does this something cost degan hamda ma'lum narsa nech pul ketadi, nech pul degan gap. How much is it? Ingliz tilida qisqartib how much is it? Bu nech pul? Asl to'liq shakli how much does this house cost? Bu qanda nech pul degan gap. Qaranglar, the black umbrella costs you 15 RMB. RMB degan gap. Bu har kunlik sizni 15 xalq puli 15 yuan qanday qildi? Chiqimda qiladi. So what is the cost of living in that country? Okay, cost of living. Demek endi yarki o davlatga turmush chiqimi qanchalik? Qanchalik chiqim ketadi demakchi. What's the cost of living? Okay, it's expensive or cheap? O qimmatmi yoki arzonmi degan gap. So it costs too much. I don't buy it. Ujo nimdan joq pul ketadi bu? I don't buy it. Men uni qanday qilmayman? Olmayman. I don't buy it. Okay, look, there are 3 items. First, like it costs, the handbag costs how much? Cost 100 RMB. And the high heels, like shoes, cost 350 RMB. What about that house? 60,500 pounds. So how much is this house? Okay, how much does this house cost? And how much is this house? How much does this house cost? Okay, this house is for sale. It costs 60,500 RMB. It costs 68,500. Endi men yarki bir ponni sterling savodashlar, taxminan shu 10 koy, 11 koy atrofida. Bu taxminan shu 700 ming xalq puli degan gap. 700 ming xalq puli. The shoes are for sale. They cost 350 RMB. Yaki yuan, right? And handbag is for sale. It costs how much? 400 RMB. It costs 400 RMB.